Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a install of some water pipe, some 3/4 inch PEX. I'm doing this so I can get water down to my shop, or shed I should say. It's not really a shop, but I'm trying to add on to it and stuff like that. But stay tuned, let's check it out and run some power. So I don't know, I forgot to mention I am doing power as well, so it kind of doesn't make sense right this minute. So let me show you. So here's my house. We've been renovating, did the deck, patio. So this shed was right here at one point. We moved it all the way down there. I'm gonna paint it. Shed right there. So we moved it from here all the way down there, and I'm gonna paint it. It kind of looks like crap. I'm gonna paint it white or something and do maybe some rough cut wood on it. But anyway, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I have room in my panel. My panel's about probably right here somewhere in my garage. So I'm gonna run it all the way under the deck. And it's gonna come, so here's the wire. You know, it's gonna come from in there all the way here. So then I thought, well, hell, if I'm gonna run electrical down there, I might as well run water. So I'm gonna either go into the crawl space and tie in. So I have this running. Sorry, I didn't video all of it. I just thought about it now. So I trenched all this out. So water and electrical are running through here. And it keeps going, and you can see it more better right there. And it's gonna go here. And then what I was thinking was, eventually, so I took all these stumps out. There's gonna be a fenced in garden right here. So then, you know how it goes, it's always something. I started thinking, well, if I tee off here, then I can have another, you know, a water spigot or something right here for the garden. So I think I gotta go get a tee for that, and then I'm gonna do that. And then, so I'm running this trench. And that's obviously I'm gonna run the water line too. It's just, I have to get that tee first. All the way down through here. So, and then you see the conduit there. It's gonna tie into the shed. And then I'm just gonna put the water spigot right here. Just so if I wanna pressure wash some stuff out here, do whatever I need to do, just, you know, have some water down here. Okay, so I'm back. I got the tee. So I got all this ran all the way to here. So I'm gonna tee off of here, probably somewhere right here, go across somewhere over here. So I'm gonna make a fence right here and a fence right there. And this little spot will be the garden area, so that's why I want a spigot there. Yes, I am out of breath. And yes, if you were wondering, I didn't know I was gonna tee off of here to go into my garden. So I had to hand dig it. All right, let's get this tee on and run the rest and get it covered up. I need to do some final touches, but this thing's wearing me out. I got pretty good up here, but I got all the pipe, all the wire laid. Just need to hook everything up. And a lot of this will settle once it rains and stuff like that, and then I'll have to rake it again. So that's where I teed off right there. That's where I'm gonna have another spigot right there coming out. And up here, this is where it's gonna tie into the house, the electrical and the water. So that's it. As you can see, we got some lights. We got power finally. So I'm excited. You know, it's been a long time coming. I probably had to move this shed, you know, probably 100 foot from where it was when I bought the house. It's not the dream shop, shed, whatever you want, but I'm kind of making it work. So like I said, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Also, you don't really appreciate, you know, lighting, you know, as much as you would when you get it. You know, it's crazy. I've been wanting to, you know, to put electrical out here for a long time, and usually I have to leave the doors open, you know, to get some kind of light in here or whatever. But you really don't realize how big of a difference, and I don't know, it's just exciting. So anyways, we'll see you. Woody's walking himself. Come on, bud. Woody, come on.